Hello everyone, I am Prakash Shah from Ajio Business. I have been associated with the kidswear category for over 10 years and I am here to help and guide you on the merchandise selection for kids girls and infant girls for dresses and frocks. We have over 1500 options of dresses and frocks across 50 brands from 7 different cluster regions of the country. Few of the cluster regions are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Jaipur. We have over 900 options in casual dresses and over 400 options in party wear dresses. We keep expanding our merchandise collection by adding new products every day, providing you with newness on the platform with the product line, as well as keeping up with the changing fashion dynamics of the products. We have various dress patterns which cater to these occasions, such as A-line dresses, flared dresses, layered dresses, maxi dresses and mini dresses. We have products which are with various sleeve patterns. There are products which are without sleeves. There are products which are with sleeves, with short sleeves, the 3/4 sleeves. We have dresses and frocks both in knits as well as in wovens with various fabric types for you to choose from. Fabrics such as cotton, rayon, viscose, georgette, polyester and blended fabric. We believe in bringing you the best quality product and affordable price at your doorstep, without you having to go outdoors. We have dresses and frocks for all various occasions, which we have categorized into 3 buckets, namely daily wear, party wear and ethnic wear. We offer these merchandise in various different colors which are vibrant and elegant for kids wear. We provide quality products at a price that are one of the best in the business so that you can achieve better sales margins. Price point for dresses and frocks starts from 34 rupees and goes up to 2200. You can use the various filters that are available on the applications for you to navigate and search for the products which is best suitable for your store. Due to this COVID situation, we have seen that the customers are demanding for full sleeve products for kids wear across all the various bricks of kids wear. So there is a shift in the pattern of buying. So due to the situation, the customers are demanding for full sleeve product line. And the other part of the year is more of the festivities, but due to the COVID situation, there is a slight dip on the ethnic wear and the party wear section. But we feel that, with the festivities around the corner, the parents would want their kids to have the ethnic wear range and the party wear range which they could wear and wear at home and celebrate the festivals at home because they cannot go out. So the forecasted trend for the other part of the year would definitely be more focused towards party wear and ethnic wear. We bring you the product from various locations all across the country at your mobile phone so that you don't have to worry about going outdoors to purchase merchandise. You can leave all your purchase worries to us and enjoy the services that we provide. So stay safe, stay healthy and enjoy shopping at Ajio Business. Thank you.